Welcome back to YouTube. I'm pulling up on scene right now to the Flying J, where we've got a tractor trailer flatbed that I believe somebody pulled his pin last night while he was sitting here parked. Got pulled out of the parking spot and dropped the trailer. So he's got 23,000 pounds on the trailer, he says. It's been a morning. I had a flat tire this morning. Right when this call came in is when I noticed the flat tire. Been dealing with that, limping it back to the shop so we can get it patch plugged. Yeah, good times. It doesn't look like it's that low. He must just not be able to, must not quite be able to get underneath it. Probably gonna have to just lift it up enough to get him under it, to get the landing gear down a little more. Oh, those are rutted. I was hoping he'd still maybe be in a spot to where I could get in the front and just use the underlift. So he's got 23,000 on the trailer. My underlift fully retracted is rated for 55. So I could have just used the underlift, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna get that lucky today. I might be able to sneak it under there and just get it up enough to get his landing gear in it. Let's see. Ooh, let me grab a 16 footer. What are we at here in a, we'll call it a quote unquote vertical 21.2, we'll be alright. How are you? Yeah? Run this up. Yeah. I forgot to turn off my in-cab controls, so when I do that, half the time, some of these won't sync up. Usually one I can get to work. Nope. I'll have to go turn them off. That's alright, I gotta back up a little more anyway. When I use the underlift on the screen inside, it completely negates the controls in the back. Closer that way. Less boom out, and I still forgot to turn them off. There we go. Hey, look at that, everything works now. This old girl is filthy between the dirty roads and the gravel parking lots I've been dealing with the last couple of days. She is gross. So we just got to lift it up to get the legs down a little more.
Gotcha. All right.
I'd assume that's what we need to do. You just can't quite get under it?
No, I tried to. Actually, I got up under it, but it started to tilt this way, and I'm like, nah,
yeah.
I'm just going to wait until you get here.
Yeah.
It's not a bad day to turn it over.
I understand that. Trust me, I'm having one myself, so.
Yeah, that flat tire.
Yeah. And liner boat. Oh, hey. Outrigger's down. Whew. That was almost a problem. I just tripped over my outrigger. So if you're wondering why I'm using two opposite side cables, it's to keep even pressure along the boom. Not ideal. I mean, normally you would just double one back and or marry the lines, whatever, but we're not doing all that today. Red in and white. Because of the awkward angle we're at, this isn't ideal. Ooh, that's gonna work perfect. Perfect. 15,000 is what we're showing. You're gonna go ahead and get your truck backed up, and we'll set the height on the legs.
Oh, okay.
So yeah,
Back up in.
yeah, just try and back up where you can. You're not gonna go under it because you're gonna hit me if you do. But what we're gonna do is get you backed up so we can see height.
Okay.
Set your legs, and then you can back under it once I set it down.
All right.
About 50% capacity right off the back, and we're on a 20-degree angle. So I'm good for 33 like this. So yeah, the underlift would have lifted it for sure, but doing it off the side like this, it's best to be able to finagle it. Off the side of the trailer, I mean. Tell you what, I'll bet you I can fold this up and he might be able to just back underneath it. Pull out clear. Nope. There we go. I got my under reach folded up, so if you want to line up to it, you should be able to back under it.
Oh, okay.
So I got folded up out of there, so you got all the room.
All right, yeah, just line it straight up this way.
Yeah, just line up on your kingpin and try to knock her in.
The best I can and line her up.
Yeah. Yeah, try to come in at an angle like this. Jaws are open. Take your rear that way. Roll your window down. Cut to your left. Yep. Going back. Straight back. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Keep going. All right, stop. All right, go ahead and come on with it. Go ahead and come back, yep. Hit it. There it goes. She's all yours. Does not like to relock in the cold. There she goes. You guys just hear it lock in? I'm just gonna leave that like it is for now because I've got another job I think we're gonna get that I'm probably gonna need it on. So make sure she went out. She did. Cool. All right, boom is stowed. So let's knock down these high speeds, high idle. And put the remote up, get the rest of the rigging put away, and we're gonna get out of here. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Okay, bye.